India is renowned for its advanced healthcare infrastructure and expertise in various medical fields. When it comes to oncology, the country boasts world-class hospitals that offer cutting-edge treatments, experienced specialists, high success rates, and affordable costs. For foreign patients seeking top-notch cancer care, India is a beacon of hope. In this video, we will delve into the top 10 oncology hospitals in India that cater to international patients, highlighting their experiences, specializations, and costs. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai, established in 1983, Apollo Hospitals is a leading healthcare provider in India. Offers comprehensive cancer care services with a focus on personalized treatment plans. Provides affordable treatment packages for international patients. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon, established in 2009. Medanta is a renowned multispecialty hospital known for its advanced cancer care. Offers personalized treatment plans for different types of cancers. Provides cost-effective treatment options with transparent billing for international patients. Max Healthcare, Delhi, established in 2006. Max Healthcare has been delivering world-class healthcare services since its inception. Known for its expertise in treating various types of cancers with a multidisciplinary approach. Offers competitive pricing for cancer treatments without compromising on quality. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon, established in 2001. FMRI is a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to cancer care. Specializes in advanced cancer treatments such as immunotherapy and targeted therapy. Provides cost-effective treatment options for foreign patients seeking quality cancer care. Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon, established in 2007. Artemis Hospital is a premier oncology center in North India. Offers comprehensive cancer care services with a focus on research and innovation. Provides affordable treatment options with transparent pricing for international patients. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore, with over 20 years of legacy in cancer care, HCG Cancer Center is a pioneer in oncology treatment. Specializes in various cancer types including breast, lung, prostate, and gynecological cancers. Offers cost-effective treatment options compared to Western countries. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai, established in 1950. Nanavati Max Hospital is a premier healthcare facility with a focus on oncology. Specializes in surgical oncology, radiation therapy, and medical oncology. Offers competitive pricing for cancer treatments without compromising on quality. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad, established in 1989. Yashoda Hospitals is a state-of-the-art facility renowned for its cancer care services. Offers advanced treatments for different types of cancers with a holistic approach. Provides cost-effective treatment options with transparent pricing for international patients. Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore, established in 1991. Manipal Hospitals is a leading healthcare provider with a strong focus on oncology services. Offers comprehensive cancer care with a multidisciplinary team of specialists. Provides affordable treatment packages for foreign patients seeking cancer care. Aster Medcity, Kochi, established in 2014. Aster Medcity is a prestigious medical institution with expertise in oncology. Offers a wide range of cancer treatments with a focus on research and innovation. Provides cost-effective treatment options for international patients without compromising on quality. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in oncology care in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.